Hi guys, it's me again, and I just wanted to show you my haircut. Yeah. And yeah. So yeah, I'm really bored. So yeah. Yeah. I get bored a lot. So if you go to my channel, look where, that's I don't know what it's called. Forgot. Forgot what it's called. And then we'll say I get bored, so I'll make videos. That's true, because I get bored easily. So, what else is there to talk about in my house? Yeah, I got Go-Go's, and it's from a machine at a store. So I'm gonna tell you, and that's all I have to say. So bye. Woohoo! Wait, so late. Woohoo! What's more?